Smith Farm Office Complex is located at 26 Parker Street in historic Newburyport, Massachusetts. The property borders the Newburyport Turnpike, U.S. Route 1, which traverses Newburyport on its way north and south and sits on 1 acre at the entrance to the Lord Timothy Dexter Business and Industrial Park that is currently home to more than 80 manufacturing businesses. Interstate 95 passes through the western side of town as well. The total complex has 10,000 square feet of first-class office space, which is dividable into 7,500, 5,000, or 2,500 square foot units. Parking in Newburyport is at a premium, but 26 Parker Street has on-site parking for more than 35 vehicles. Smith Farm Office Complex is adjacent to the Essex County District Court, as well as the MBTA Newburyport commuter rail station, which provides access to several North Shore cities and Boston's North Station. From this location, you're only minutes to the town of Newburyport, which is the birthplace of the U.S. Coast Guard, where specialty shops and restaurants abound. The town borders the Merrimack River, which empties into the Atlantic, and therefore you're in a prime area for Ipswich clams, local haddock, and freshly caught lobsters. Newburyport is a great place to work and play.